All right, so this is a Honda Civic. As you can see, we have uh, have a flat tire right here. As you can see, a flat tire right here. So what you want to do is, since it's a flat tire, so what you want to do is over here, what you want to do is you want to find a surface. You have to find a surface here that you can lift the tire up. So we're going to find a surface under here that's like a metal surface. So the metal surface is going to be like, usually it's like right there, like right here. And you want to lift it up. Lift it up. Lift it up. As you can see, I'm gonna lift it up. Lift it up as high as you can. What you want to do is you want to make sure that that this is lifted up. Now, what you want to do is you want to get your set. Like I'm using this thing here. I'm using this tool here. And then you want to find out what size is on the lug nuts. So from the looks of it, this looks like this is going to be a size either 19 or 21. So what I do is I use this lug nut buster. I spray the lug nuts. And usually what I do with that is it loosens up the lug nuts. This right here is a size 19. Let's see if it's the right size. So as you can see, it's the right size. You want to make sure that it fits. So it is the right size. Then what you want to do is you want to use this tool here and loosen up the lug nuts. Loosen up the lug nuts. Loosen them up.